be fixing everything. And because there is always something to be fixed, subscribe to the channel. It might help you fix everything. Today I'll show you my little project of fitting a light to light up the kitchen sink, because when you're washing the dishes, our light, it's not powerful enough and it doesn't make enough light so you can see what you're washing, and you have to lean one way so you can see if you actually manage to wash the dishes or your hands or anything. So in order to do that, I bought two LED strips that work on 220 volts. These right there. I connected one so you can see how it works. Let's just, there you go, that's how bright it is. So they're gonna be fitted on the kitchen cabinets right there. The problem is that I don't want to have a cable running from here on the outside, and I don't have any outside electrics, and I have a wall. So it's gonna be quite a project, because what I'm planning to do, I know that the cable runs through the wall. It comes here, so I'll cut a section of the backing on the drawers. We'll go straight to the cables through the wall, and I will extend the cables to come inside the cabinet. We'll drill a hole, and that's how we're gonna supply the electricity. It's gonna be just a little switch that you switch right here and the lights come on. It's two strips, and they're plenty long. They're long enough to go on the wall. So let's fast forward the video and see how the work goes. Okay, so I exposed the electricity cable. What I did is I put the laser on, it's right behind me. And I know that usually electricians put the electricity lines leveled. So I just followed the laser line, and we got the electricity cable. What I'm gonna do now is I will chop the pipe that it's leading the electricity cable here and over there. I'll expose both electrical cables, cut them. I'll solder new cables, lead them through here, drill an opening on the bottom, and that's how we're gonna have live cable coming on the bottom of the drawer without having it on the outside. And then I'll just put back the board and it will hide everything. I just finished tapping into the power cord. And I run very thick, very thin gauge wire and zip tied it here, so even if it gets pulled, it doesn't get pulled from the line. I soldered the connection and put insulation tape on top of it. And this now it's going to be hidden with this cap on the top, like so. Now I will drill a hole upside down, so no, this way in, and I'll run the cable through. But that was the difficult part. Okay, so that's what is on top. That's what is on the bottom. I think when I put the dishes back in, everything is gonna be nicely hidden. Let's continue on the bottom side then. There we go, project done. Nice and light. You can wash the dishes nicely now. I put the button right here, and I had the a button laying around, so when you come to the sink, you just do that. I could have put a sensor, and I can put a sensor. You just do this, and the lights come on and off. But this was for free, so that's how it sits. On the inside you can't see you just can't see the little cable. It was right there, the opening. Nice and bright. I like that the LED strips are that much longer, so there is two strips in exactly middle of the sink, which I really like because it's just giving a little bit extra more light. So that's the finished product. It took like 2.5-3 hours, half a day maybe, but I think it's really nice and worth it. The light, it's enough, so it will make everything a lot more easier. Oh, I hope the video is being helpful to... No, I wanted to show you what I did actually. The cable comes from here, goes to this switch, then it comes to this side. Everything's insulated, sorry for the flickering, but LED. Then goes to this side, and then it comes in the end on this side of the strip. I think that's the diagram I made. Yeah, so the face is being disconnected, and then the neutral is going straight from one side and then to the other. This one here and this one there. That's it. I hope the video is being helpful to you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.